Good morning children. Today 4th class mathematics we have to discuss about rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers. Why we are using the rounding of numbers means if we want exact value, nearly means approximate value, then we are taking rounding of numbers. For example, I have 58 rupees. Okay. I have 58 rupees. I want the nearest value of 58 means it is approximately equal to 60 rupees. Yes or no? 2 rupees less. I have 60 rupees. Yes. So, in this way we are using rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers means we want the value of approximate. The number of approximate nearby. Then we are taking rounding of numbers. How we are selecting this rounding of numbers means see. First now I am dividing the one digit numbers, that is 1 to 9 two times. See, I am writing numbers here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are one digit numbers. These one digit numbers I am dividing as two parts. That is 5 above 5. Okay. 5 to before numbers, 5 after numbers. It is one group and it is one group. Okay. It is one group. 5 to less numbers means we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 means these all are called less than 5. These all are small numbers comparing to 5. And remaining 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are big numbers comparing to 5. Okay. First I written the all one digit numbers and I make it two groups. Okay. That is less than 5. Greater than 5. 5 to small numbers, 5 to big numbers. Now, first of all, we want to find out approximate value. Approximate means obtain the nearest value. The symbol of approximately. Approximately. Symbol is like this. Okay. It is the symbol for approximately means nearest value. Now we want to find out the rounding of numbers. First nearest tens. Nearest tens. We want nearest tens. How we have to select? Okay. First, I am taking one example question. That is 48. That is 48. We want 48 nearest tens. Okay. Means what you have to do? Check the ones place. Check the you have to first thing what you have to do, check the ones place, observe the ones place number. Okay. If it is less than 5, keep 0 directly. Okay. If it is less than 5, keep 0 directly. But it is greater than 5, add 1 for the tens place. Check the ones place value. It is less than 5, directly write down 0 in the ones place. If it is greater than 5, add 1. Add 1 for tens place. Why? Because here we are finding the nearest tens. Nearest Tens means we want to add 1 for the given tens place number. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 1's place directly it will become as 0. You have to keep the underlined digit place 0. Okay. Now one more example. For example, I took 23. I took in the second example 23. Here, check the ones place. Whatever the given number, you have to leave it and check the ones place first of all. If it is less than 5, compare 3 and 5. It is small number or big number? Small number. 3 is the small number. So, tens place directly write down, ones place keep 0. Okay. If it is greater than 5, then only should add 1 for the tens place. Otherwise, no need to add 1 for the tens place. It is one example. Next example question. If I took a 3-digit number, for example, 394 and 568. These are the next examples. I took here 3-digit number. Whatever the digits you have to take. First, nearest tens. We want nearest tens. Nearest tens means first you have to check the ones place. Check the ones place number here. Ones place, which number do we have? 4. Compared to 5, it is smaller, big? Small number. So you should keep 0 in the ones place directly. So the answer is 390. Underline digit make as 0. Why? Because nearest tens. The number is 390. Now, next example, I took 568. Here also you have to check only the ones place. Check the ones place. If it is greater than 5, add 1 for the tens place. Add 1 for the tens place. Okay. If 8 is greater than or less than, comparing to 5, it is big number or small number? Big number. So, I am adding 1 for the tens place. Okay. 500 place as it is like that only. 6 plus 1, 7. Underlined place you have to make as 0. So 568 nearest tens is 570. Like this. Next. One more example. Here I took 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Now I want to take a 4-digit number. 4-digit number. Okay. 3 and 5, 2. Okay. Next number. 6, 9, 3, 7. How many digits we have to take? Just forget the digits. We want nearest tens place. Nearest tens place. What we have to do? Check the ones place. First of all, we have to check the ones place. Only ones place. Why? Because we are asking nearest tens. Ones place. If it is greater than 5, add 1 for the tens place. If it is less than 5, no need to add 1 for the tens place. Directly underline the number. You have to make it as 0. See here. 2. Comparing to 5, 2 is the small number. So, I am writing directly 2 place 0. Next example, 6937. Here underline the number. Ones place is 7. Compared to 5, 7 is big number or small number? Big number. So, add 1 for the tens place. Add 1 for the tens place. Now, 6, 9, 3 plus 1, 4. Underline what? 0. It is the answer. Okay. Add 1 for the tens place. These are the nearest tens. Now, we want nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. How to find the nearest hundreds? Means approximately. We want to make it up rounding up numbers. Here, first point what we have to do? Check the nearest tens means we check ones place means before place value. Here nearest hundreds means we have to check the tens place value. Check the tens place. Check the tens place. If it is less than 5. Less than 5, directly keep 0 in the tens place. If it is greater than 5, add 1. Add 1 for the nearest hundreds means hundreds place only. Add 1 for the hundreds place. Okay children, here we are adding 1 for the tens place. Why? Because we are writing nearest tens. Here add 1 for the hundreds place. Why? Because we want nearest hundreds. Okay. In this first example, nearest hundreds means it is start with a 3-digit number. For example, 584 and 397. These are the example numbers. Here we want the nearest hundreds. First, which place value we have to check? Hundreds before place means tens place. Tens place we have to check. Tens place is greater than 5. We want to add 1 for the hundreds place. Add 1 for the hundreds place. Why? Because we are writing nearest hundreds. See here children. Here tens place 8 is there. Comparing to 5 it is big number or small number? Big number. So add 1 for the hundreds place. 5 plus 1 6. Remaining 2 digits you have to make it as 0. So 584 nearest 100 is 600. Next example. 397. Here also whatever the number may be, leave it, you have to observe the tens place. 9 is there. Compared to 5, it is big number or small number 9? Big number. Big number means add 1 for the tens place. 3 plus 1 4. Remaining numbers make it as zeros. 397 nearest 100 is 400. For example, 238. It is one more example, 238. Here also we want nearest 100. Nearest 100 means check the tens place. Check the tens place. Here in 238 tens place, which number is there children? 3. Compared to 5, it is small number or big number? Small number. So, no need to add 1 for the tens place. If it is greater than 5, then only add 1 for the hundreds place. Now, 2. It is small number. Means directly you can keep 0. 1, 2. 238 nearest 100 is 200 only. Okay. It is one example. Okay. Next example. Now, I am taking a 4-digit number. Next one. The first number is 6935, 8462. How many digits also they have to give? Leave it. First you have to read the heading. Nearest hundreds. Write the nearest hundreds. Rounding of nearest hundreds means which place you have to check? We have to check the tens place. Ones, tens place. Ones, tens place. Compare the tens place. If it is less than 5, directly write down 0. If it is greater than 5, add 1 for the hundreds place. Okay. 3. Here 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5. It is small number or big number? Small number. So, keep directly 0. 6, 9, remaining two numbers 0, 0. 6935, nearest hundred is 6900. 8462. Here tens place 6 is there. Okay, 6 is here in the tens place. Compared to 5, it is big number or small number? Big number. So, add 1 for the hundreds place. Why? Because we are writing nearest hundreds place. So, what is the answer here? 4 plus 1, 5. Directly 2 zeros. Like this. Now, I want to take one more example. It is a 5-digit number. It is also a 5-digit number and it is also a 5-digit number. Now, read the heading. We want to write the nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds means which place value we have to check? Check the tens place. Tens place. Underline the tens place first. Okay. Underline the tens place first. Here, which number is there in the tens place? 7 is there. Compared to 5, it is big number or small number? Big number means add 1 for the hundreds place. Add 1. Add 1 for the hundreds place. What you are getting? 13,008 plus 1, 9. Remaining two numbers 0. Okay. Next, 28,415. In this, which number is there in the tens place? 1. Compared to 5, it is small number or big number? Tell me children. Small number. So, directly have to write down the 0. 28,400. It is the nearest hundreds. Now, we want to find out the nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. Now, tell me the first point. Nearest tens means we check the first ones place. Nearest hundreds means we check the tens place, means before place value. Nearest hundreds means which place we have to check? Nearest hundreds completed here. Okay. So, we have to find out nearest thousands. Nearest thousands. Okay. Nearest thousands means we have to check the hundreds place value. In this first point is check the hundreds place. And then if it is less than 5, you can keep directly 0. Okay. And next, if it is greater than 5, add 1. Add 1 for the which place? Thousands place. Add 1 for the thousands place. When we are starting to do the problems, first read these steps. Check the hundreds place. If it is less than 5, directly keep zeros. If it is greater than 5, add 1 for the thousand place. Why? Because we are writing nearest thousands. Okay. In this first example, 1000 means we have to take a 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I am taking a 4-digit number. That is 8952. Okay. 8952. The next number is 7364. It is a 4-digit number and it is also a 4-digit number. We want to write the nearest thousands. Which place we have to check? We have to check the hundreds place. We have to check the ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now, observe this number. 9. 9 comparing to 5, it is a big number or small number? Big number. So, add 1 for the thousands place. Add 1 for the thousand place. Add 1. Okay, why? Because nearest thousands. 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Remaining 3 numbers keep it as 0. Next, here underline digit 100 place digit is 3. Comparing to 5, 3 is the small number. So directly take 0. 7000. Next example. Here 4-digit number over. I want to take a 5-digit number. That is 63 841. Next, 96 532. It is a 5-digit number and it is also a 5-digit number. How many digits they will give, you have to leave it up. Don't observe that. You have to check nearest thousands. Nearest thousands means you have to check the only which place value? Hundreds place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here. Okay. See. Now, compare the 8. 8 is big number or small number? Big number. So, you have to add 1 for the thousand place. Why we are adding 1 here means we want to write nearest thousands. So, here 6 plus 1. 6 directly write down. 1 plus 3, 4. Remaining 3 numbers 0. Next, 96,532. Underlined number is 5. It is equal to 5. Equal to 5 means also you have to add 1 for the thousands place. Okay, why? Because here we are divided up to here. If it is 5 is also add 1. Okay. Next, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. Remaining 3 numbers, zeros. Okay, children. Now, next example. Here, 4-digit number over, 5-digit number over. I am taking a 6-digit number. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6-digit number. Now, See, here also 6 digits are there. Here also 6 digits are there. What is our heading? Nearest thousands. Rounding off the nearest thousands. So, which place value have to check? Check the hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Underline the hundred place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Underline the hundreds place. If it is less than 5, directly write down zeros. 3, 9, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay. If it is greater than 5, add 1 for the thousand place. Add 1. 5, 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Remaining numbers 0. So, I think you all are understood, children. What is the nearest tens? Rounding off nearest tens. Rounding off nearest hundreds. Rounding off nearest thousands. This is our topic today. Your homework is do exercise 2.5. That is textbook page number 75. A, B, C. Bits. ABC bits in your maths notebook. Okay, children. Your homework is do exercise 2.5, that is textbook page number 75. ABC bits in maths notes. If you want means how to keep the heading rounding of numbers in your maths notebook, copy this first. You must write down these steps. Okay, you have to draw this also. Then you have to go for the exercise. Okay, children, this is your homework today. See. Now I will show you here. In your textbook page number 75, exercise 2.5, first bit, rounding off the nearest tens, rounding off the nearest hundreds, rounding off the nearest thousands. Here place is not sufficient, so you have to take your maths notebook, write down the exercise heading, copy that points. After that, you have to start this exercise 2.5. Every time you have to start with the date and the day. This is your homework today. Thank you.